So, what happens when a community's dream for better healthcare actually becomes a reality? Well, today we're diving into the story of the Ghulam Mohammed Mahar Medical College, an institution that wasn't just built, it was willed into existence by the very people it serves.
To serve the ailing humanity. Now, these 5 words, they aren't just a catchy motto you'd see on a brochure. They are the entire reason this college exists. It's the promise that started it all.
So, how exactly is a promise like that being kept? Our story begins in the city of Sukkur, Pakistan, where the need for an institution like this was felt for a very, very long time. To really get this college, you first have to understand the why behind it all. It starts with a simple but profound pledge to serve the community. Okay, try to imagine this. You're in a city with 500,000 people, but getting access to advanced medical care or a top-tier medical education is a huge challenge. That was the situation in Sukkur. So the call for a local medical college wasn't just some nice idea, it was a loud, persistent demand coming straight from the people. All right, so the community is demanding change. How was that call finally answered? Well, it took turning a really powerful idea into a physical reality. And check out how fast things moved. The idea really catches fire in 2002. Just 1 year later, 1 year, the college opens its doors and welcomes its very first class of 40 students. That's incredible speed. By 2005, it gets its official name honoring a local philanthropist, which really cements its identity as a college for the community, by the community. So that's how it all started. But from those pretty humble beginnings, the college has absolutely exploded. Let's take a look at the impressive scale of where things stand today. Remember that first class of 40 students? Well, today, the college is training 500 medical students. That's more than a 10-fold jump. Think about the impact of that many more doctors being trained for the region. And of course, you can't guide 500 students without a serious team of experts. The college has 114 full-time faculty members. We're talking about a really deep bench of knowledge that forms the educational backbone of the whole place. And the education here is really comprehensive. It's not just the main medical degree. The college also offers advanced postgraduate training, and it has a full range of departments covering everything from basic sciences to specialized clinical fields. It's a true A to Z medical institution. But look, medical training isn't just about what you learn in a lecture hall. It's about getting your hands dirty. So where do all these students get their crucial, real-world experience? I mean, that's the million-dollar question, right? Theory is one thing, but medicine is a practical skill. With 500 students all needing that hands-on training, how on earth do they make that happen? Well, the answer is a really smart network of affiliated hospitals. Students get to do rotations at the college's own teaching hospital, a major government hospital, and even specialized centers for things like cardiology. This gives them this incredible range of real-world patient experiences. But here's the thing. This college isn't just sitting still. It is actively building its future, with some huge plans for a true next-generation campus. This slide really tells the whole story. You can see the contrast so clearly. The college started out by being super resourceful, converting old buildings just to get things going. But the vision for the future? It's on a whole different level. A massive, 54-acre campus designed from the ground up. And the scale of this vision is just immense. We're talking about a gigantic 1,200-bed teaching hospital, brand new academic buildings, and housing for both students and staff. This isn't just an expansion. It's like they're building a self-contained medical city, one that's designed to serve the region for generations to come. And the best part? This isn't just some dream on a blueprint. It's actually happening right now. The new women's hostel, which can house 270 students, is already finished and in use. The future here is literally being built, brick by brick. So, when you put all of this together, what does it all mean? Let's talk about the college's legacy so far and take a quick look at what the future holds. An institution's credibility is everything, and GMMC is fully recognized by all the key national bodies, and, this is a big one, by the World Health Organization. That stamp of approval is absolutely crucial. It means a degree from here holds its weight anywhere in the world, which is great for the graduates and ensures a high standard of care for the community. And that leaves us with one last big question to think about. The story of this college is more than just about a single school. it makes you wonder what's really possible when a community, driven by its own needs, decides to build its own healthcare future. Well, if Sukkur is any example, the answer seems to be something strong, something growing, and something that's truly built to last.